English. My name is Salsabila Sahira, Class 1 EN, D3 Accounting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Thank you for coming in my presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Sahira, Class 1 EN. In this opportunity, I would like to present about my host plan and some about my personality. Fact 1. Plan of the location of the host to the airport. Host plan. Starting Sultan Mahmud Badarudin International Airport to Sultan Mahmud Badarudin Airport to Talang Betutu Street, Palembang City, South Sumatra. Take a northwest direction on Sultan Mahmud Badarudin to Airport Street towards Pertamina Airport Access Street. Continue straight onto Gubernur Haji Asnawi Mangku Alam Street. Turn right onto Residen Haji Najamuddin Street. Turn left onto Bambang Utoyo Street. Turn left onto Ramakasi Street. Turn right onto Kenanga Hallway. Fact 2. The fare from the airport home to home. From my house, if you use conventional transportation, for example like a taxi at a price tag of around 100,000 rupiah, but for me using non-conventional transportation such as the GoCar application is cheaper at a price of 58,000 rupiah. Fact 3. Favorite place at home. My favorite place at home is my own room because I feel very comfortable to study and rest when I get tired. Fact 4. Problems that are often discussed at home. The problem that I often talk about is the problem about me in school, especially the problem of lessons. Sometimes when I come home from school, I always tell how I was at school today and the lessons are increasingly challenging until I tell about my friends at school. Fact 5. A pledge to tell stories. In my family, I often talk to my mother because my siblings are married. I am closer to my mother. Apart from school, sometimes I tell stories about religions which are getting here that more Islamic school. Fact 6. With whom I often fuss in my family and what causes it. I often fought with my first brother when he returned to Palembang. He likes to borrow goods or other items belong to me, which cannot be returned but are damaged or until they run out. Fact 7. What I like and did not like about your two parents. What I like about parents. I am very grateful and happy with my parents because they never compare their children with children the same age as me. Always support what I want while still in a positive way. Always give input slowly and never pressure me. But they firmly told me what is good and true. If I did something wrong, they would say it calmly and firmly. What I dislike about parents. What I don't like about my parents is that they rarely give me gifts or surprise. When I want something, it's rare to challenge it first. Not that I get it right away, so I feel less challenged and lack enthusiasm. This is all I can say. If there is an error in words, more or less, I apologize and ask forgiveness to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.